moment notice, but again, it's still an easily leave, pack up and go, and leave the volunteer. So it's always conceptually
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Erie County, southwestern Lorain County until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Willard, or 10 miles south of Norwalk, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Elyria, Norwalk, Willard, Wellington, New London, Plymouth, Wakeman, Oberlin, South Amherst, Pittsfield, Greenwich, North Fairfield, Clifton, and Rochester. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, Huron, and Lorain.
Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
President Biden said the U.S. delegation has said it wants to present concrete plans to both